on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do something that I haven't done for a while, so I'm kind of excited about this. I'm going to do, this is Artist Lofts Acrylic Flow black for my base, and it's on a 10 by 20 inch Artist Loft canvas. I'm going to do a straight pour or a ring pour, one of the two, whichever I start to feel like. But I'm going to do two of them because I do want to have some negative space for sure in the middle. And then we'll just kind of see if I have a little on the outside. That's totally fine with me too. The colors that I'm going to use today are Decoart's Metallic Deep Sapphire, SoHo's Magenta, Arteza's Pearl Rose Quartz, and Artist Lofts Violet. I'm gonna do just two small cups here. These I believe are 5-ounce cups. I'm gonna use, and I am gonna use Decoart's Metallic 24 karat gold, but I'm just gonna use a little bit. Start with this side here. I think I might have too much paint. I've just seen a big lump. I'm gonna have to do another one with that. I'll just save it. A little mess up there. All right, so now I'm just gonna kind of move them around a
there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone.
All right, so let's take a look at that. Beautiful. This gold here, I'm not the biggest fan of it, but it's, I don't hate it. I love this right here. Those were really cool. The banding is gorgeous. I like the black negative space I have. That gold border there is awesome. So pretty. Just look at that. But I hope everybody enjoyed my video, and you will like and subscribe and share. I haven't done these pours for a while, so definitely need some practice. But I don't hate them. But I thank everybody for watching. Hopefully everybody's healthy and safe from COVID and just healthy in general. And I appreciate you all. And hopefully you'll like, subscribe, share, comment, all that fun jazz. Helps my channel, and I appreciate you. But thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.